My name is Jesse, and you spoke with my business partner Christy the other day on the phone about a video that would go over some tips and tricks on stuff that you can start doing today with your website, and in turn bring in some leads by increasing your online presence. So, without further ado, let's dig into this. First and foremost, we have your website pulled up right here, and honestly, the layout of the website is actually pretty good. You got some call to actions and things like that. That's always good. Your website's secure. That's good. Um, The first thing we're going to go over though is content. So when it comes to content, Google kind of ranks content pretty highly. So in their eyes, content's king. What we would like to recommend for a solid foundation on content is about 1,500 words on your homepage. Um, just scrolling through, you could see that there's not a whole lot of content here. But inside this content, it's got to be something we call authoritative content, and that just includes keywords or key phrases that people are searching for on Google inside your content, and that'll help you rank organically. So, what I mean by that is I plugged your website into a tool. It's called Ahrefs, and inside Ahrefs, I can kind of see how your website's doing on the back end and stuff like that. So, we have what we call keywords or key phrases, and all they are is just stuff that people are typing into Google and searching for a service. If you have these keywords on your homepage or service pages, it makes it that much easier for Google to connect the people that want your services with them. So as you can see, we got some keywords here. We got some things to pay attention to. The volume is just how many times a word or how many times a month that word is being searched for. And then Arcadia is how difficult it is. So as you can see, these are all the stuff, or all the keywords or key phrases you guys are ranking for. You guys are actually ranking for quite a bit. It's just the positions are not there. So what I did is I just plugged in one of these um, keywords, and obviously you can kind of tell right here where you guys are standing by doing the same search. All I did was I found the top ranking competitors. First of all, this guy's in the top spot. As you can see, not a whole lot of content either, but Um, there's other things to take in consideration when Google is trying to rank a website. One of those things is going to be backlinks. They have keywords that they're ranking for, and you guys are pretty much ranking for the same, if not a little bit more. But like I said, it's the position that they're in. Um, again, I went to second ranking guy. Not a whole lot of content either. So with a good solid foundation of about 1,500 words, we can kind of secure that spot as far as content goes. And then like I said about backlinks. So a backlink is just anytime a website has your link to your website on theirs, and that's called a backlink. All backlinks are not created equal, and what I mean by that is there's some that are spammy, there's some that are really powerful, and then there's some just aren't powerful, that aren't helping. And I believe this is where you guys need to focus on after your content, and I'll show you why. So referring domains and backlinks go hand in hand. You need a referring domain first, and then you can branch off with the backlinks. So you guys have a ton of backlinks and a good amount of domains over your competitors, but this is why your competitors are beating you. So all these zeros that you see right here for the domain rating. So these are all like good links that you guys have that are pointing back to your website. And honestly, it's a lot, but starting from like 10 and below, 13 and below, all these are just not strong. They're not hurting you, but they're not strong, if that makes sense. So, just to kind of give you an idea, we'll go ahead and check out Academy HVAC. And as you can tell, they got quite a bit, or not quite a bit, but of the ones that they have, they're really strong, passing a lot of power to them. Same thing with Cool Breeze Plumbing. These guys right here. So I mean, they don't have a lot of zeros, so they're getting a lot of power. So one of the last things I want to touch base on is this thing right here. It's called your Google Map. Anytime someone searches for a service, they're going to find this. Um, the way to get on here is you make a listing, and then the way you rank this is kind of with citations, but there's other steps inside that as well. But citations are going to help this tremendously. A citation is just anytime your business name, address, and phone number is listed, and from there, the more you have, the better. Um, we have a tool that can see how many your competitors have and things like that. Go in there and essentially one up them because we know how much they have, how much we need to beat them by. But with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video. And just to recap, we went over three things that are gonna help your website rank. It's gonna be your content, it's gonna be your backlinks, and it's gonna be these citations here. With focusing on those three things, I believe your SEO rating will come up and you'll start showing up in top spots for more keywords and things like that. Um, but like I said, my end the video. I hope you found this information helpful. Um, if you'd like to take this information and run with it by yourself, that's fine. No harm, no foul. But if you want to take the stress off of focusing on this stuff and just focus on your business itself, we'd love to help you. Just reach back out to us. Give us some feedback at the least. But thank you for your time. Appreciate it. Hope you have a great day.